We're using the midpoint formula. The formula is located right up here at the top here. We want to find the midpoint of AB, and here are your coordinates. So when you know to use the midpoint formula and you go to look at that, let this be a reminder here to come over here and label your points. I always let the first point that I come to be the x1, y1. Second point is my x2, y2. That's the midpoint formula will be done. You use the x1 plus x2 divided by 2 first. All right. So the x1 gets added to x2, which is 5 plus negative 4 over 2. Okay, and go ahead and press Control Divide, and you've got your fraction here. Go ahead and put in 5 plus negative 4. Okay, remember the difference between a negative and a minus. I'm not sure, a lot of times it causes problems if you don't use the correct sign using the calculator. Arrow down, press 2, enter, and now you've got your 1/2 here. If you want this to be turned into a decimal, you press Control Enter, and it converts your fraction into a decimal. If you have a decimal and you want it into a fraction, you have to press Menu, then go to Number, which is 2, Menu 2, and approximate the fraction. So Menu 2 and enter, and it will convert it back to a fraction for you. The x coordinates midpoint, so 1/2, and that'll equal xm, m for the midpoint, well, m for the x coordinates point. Alright, so y1 plus y2, 12 plus 8. Okay, so 12 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, and you can go to your calculator, okay, and Control Divide. 12 plus 8 over 2 equals, will get you 10. Alright, so we're going to put 10 right here, and that equals the y coordinates midpoint. Okay, alright, so let's put this into the ordered pair, x comma y. Alright, so we've got 1/2 comma 10, and that's going to represent the midpoint. Alright, so A.